Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. So let me just explain to you what I've been doing. I received an email before Christmas and from one of my subscribers asking me to rewrite this crochet pattern. This is a So-Crafty crochet pattern. This subscriber was having issues understanding the pattern and requested me to rewrite it. So this is what I've been doing. So when I rewrite a pattern, this is the pattern the subscriber sent me. Very tiny, but I was able to read it. And this is what I've been working on. So the way that I do this is I rewrite the pattern and then I give it a try. I fix what mistakes I made and I crochet as I go. Let me just explain this to you. So this makes an elephant. What's interesting is this is the body and this is the head. The body and the head are done in one piece. The thing when you crochet something like this, you have to be careful to put enough stuffing around the neck so it doesn't wobble. So it should not wobble. I have plenty of stuffing. And then I did the arms. The way that I finished the arms is I pinched the opening, like this is the opening. I pinched it and I took a needle and I sew the opening together, which looks like this. So these are the arms. I did the same thing with the legs. Look at the legs. The reason why I do this, it is easier to attach to the body. And when it comes to the nose stays open. You will need to sew the nose like this. You'll need to sew all around. The ears were special. The ears you had to do two like this, and you sew them together and it makes the ears. Now there's no tail. I did not see anything about a tail. If I look at the pattern again, let me just see. Maybe I missed it. Is there a tail? So we've got the body, head, legs, hand, nose, ears, and I did not see anything about the tail. If you want to do a tail, you can, but I'm not going to since it doesn't say in the pattern. So to sew this together, it's just basic sewing. So you thread the needle and you go into a stitch and you go into the next stitch and then you sew like this all around. So let me just complete this and ask for the eyes. I'm not gonna embroider the eyes or anything. I have eyes that I purchased, like little plastic eyes, and I'm going to glue these eyes. I'm going to find the best size for it and I'm going to glue this. Pattern is not ready yet. It's possible that I'm going to be sharing the pattern with you guys, but not yet. I just wanted to show you how I made this and how I'm going to finish it. All of the elephant parts are completed. If you notice, my elephant is blue, but in the pattern it says gray. I did not have any gray yarn, so I used what I had. So just to let you know. Next, I'm going to pin everything. I'm going to pin the arms to verify where they're going to go. So let's see. These are the arms. So I will pin one right here. So this way, if I need to move the arm or if I need to move something, I will be able to. Now, I assume there's a little shoulder. The arm are not attached directly to the neck. So we'll keep it like that. Do the same thing on this side. Like this. And again, if I need to move something, I can. Now, as for the legs, let me just move this over. The legs will be underneath, like this. Maybe like this. And there will be possibly the little V here in the middle. Like so. So this would be how my elephant would be sitting. So again, I'm going to take some pins and I'm going to pin it. So I wanted this right here. And this means like this. And if I take this one and I do the same, I'm going to try to keep the same angle, something like that. There. And then if I sit him down, the elephant should stay seated like this. So let me just secure this a little bit better. An extra pin here and there. It's not too bad. The arms as well. I find that the head is a tiny bit small, but I was following the instructions. So since I don't know exactly where everything is placed, if I look at the picture, I'm just going by the picture. Yep. And I also noticed there's like tucks on each side, but it does not say in the pattern how to add those, so I'm not gonna bother with the tusks. Now, let's see about the nose. The nose should be going down like this. See how the nose should be going down? So can I pin this like this? Now, as for the ears are strange. I mean, these look more like mouse ears than they do elephant ears. I believe they should be out like this, but I don't know if I like it. Well, maybe. Okay, so if I look at it, looks like they should be somewhere like this. So let me just put a little pin, or a few pins, and then whoop, maybe one more, and do the same with this one. Place it like this. And add 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's sort of okay. I've seen better. Now for the eyes, I found something very interesting in my pack. I have a pack like this, and some of the eyes are in color, and I did find some blue eyes, and this is what I'm going to be gluing. I'm going to be getting my glue gun out, and I'm going to be gluing these eyes. And I'm not sure, like elephant normally has eyes further on each side like this. So now I need to test them to see, is it like this? Too far? But this is not a real elephant. So how how do I like it? If we look at the picture, my eyes are too high, so let me just get those further down, like this. Oh, yes. Ooh, I think I like it this way. Yeah, this looks perfect. So now the next step is to sew everything. Go ahead and I'll be back and I'll show you the finished elephant. Stay tuned. So I went from this to this. So this is my blue elephant, not gray. So what do you think? Now, I did do a few things that maybe I should not have, but I did. Now, I did sew the legs, like you can see. And if you place the little elephant on his legs, you can. And I did sew the arms, same way. Now, since I had my glue gun out, and I glued my eyes, I also glued the trunk. I did not sew it. I glued it and I glued the ears because the ears would have been a little bit hard to actually sew. I saved some time. That's the only reason why I glued it, is to save some time. But if you're going to be giving this to a child, then my suggestion, still do the sewing of the ears, but you can add some glue to make sure it stays put. Same as for the nose, you sew the nose, like you can partially sew the nose and then add glue. But this is it, guys. So this is my elephant from So-Crafty. Let me know how you think of this elephant. I think that these kits, the reason why North American people are having some issues, or even Europeans are having some issues making these, is because the way they write their pattern is basically the Chinese, Japanese way of them understanding their patterns. But this is what it is. And as for the pattern itself, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be posting it or not. The reason being is because you need to buy these patterns. It's a purchase pattern. It's not my pattern. So I do not have the right to give away patterns. The only reason why I rewrote this for my subscriber purchased this and couldn't do it. So this is why I'm going to be completing this pattern, sending it to my subscriber. But if you would like to know how I rewrote this, let me know in the comment section and I will explain this, because crochet is math. The simplest way for me to explain this to you guys, crochet is math, and there's a way to. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. Bye.